This is a PNF stretch for the upper trapezius muscle. And what you'll do is you'll start here, grabbing the bottom of a bench or a chair, lean to the opposite side, go ahead and then raise the shoulder up for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. You should be able to go a little further. Then you're going to go ahead and lift the opposite arm up, put it over the top of your head, tilt your ear to your shoulder, then turn your chin towards the ceiling. And at this point, you should feel this in the upper trapezius, which is right here. And you're going to hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to try and push into your hand. So you're going to try and push your head that way. Your head pulls this way. Your hand pulls this way. Your head goes that way. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then relax. You should go even further. So the PNF, or the proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation type stretch, tells the joint it's okay, you're going to be safe, you're protected, let go.